Hi, welcome to another Tip Tuesday. This is Michael with the implementation staff. Today I'm going to be talking about how to globally link equipment to templates. Sometimes if you come up with a new template that you want a lot of items linked to, as opposed to going under our pending work and template assignments, what we could do is we could use the global event in order to link, say these 30 or 40 items right here, as opposed to going to each one individually. So one thing that we do need to know is make sure that you know what your template name is that you intend to link for those items. So right up here I've got the Fluke 87 Series 5 digital multimeter that I plan to use. Next thing that we'll need to do is we will actually open up our equipment finder. And one thing to note, this will be only available to our users that have a system administrator profile, or if the global equipment event is available for that profile. So I've got it way down under my admin over on the side, but first we need to select our equipment. So what we can do is let's look at the manufacturer is exactly, Fluke. Let's look for our model number is exactly, 87 Series 5. And we've got 58 pieces. But one thing that we might also want to include is let's look for things that have a template name that is blank or empty. That way we don't update any templates for items that already have a template association. So here we can see that that actually removed 4 pieces. Then we can select all of our items right here. Then we can go under our admin and global equipment change event. Then while this is going, just make sure that on the bottom down here, if you have the select by filter box option available, make sure you select the select by individual equipment used, not the filter box. Then we can go ahead and hit next. I like to put comments in here, just that way we know what the intended purpose was. And then whenever we hit next, what we can do is we want to click our new icon. We want to modify the equipment. So if we click on the new and then change this down to our template name, what we can then do, and one thing to note is if you do have multiple templates in there, say you've got 20,000 templates, it may take this list a moment to populate, but if we remember earlier, that is the template that I want. And then whenever I hit OK, it will go ahead and pop up the template links dialog box for me to select all the items that I want linked. So this one has loaded in my default template links, which is exactly what I want to use anyway. So I can hit OK. And then we'll go ahead and hit finish. Then we'll notice it updating all of our template links right here. And depending on how many items you do, it may take it a moment while it is updating all those records. And now it looks like that is done. And if I come in here and I'm just hitting the show all button up here, I'm still sorted by my model number, and scroll down to my Fluke 87s. It was on up here. It removed such a big section. And now we've got just these regular Fluke 87s to update and a few Series 3s. If you have any questions on this, please reach out and let us know, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.